Welcome back to Pencil Projects. Today we're going ahead and replace the boot on this HE3 washer. And I've already kind of gone through this, but just basically pulling off the tops here with the two screws in the back. I think it's 2 or 3 screws. That comes off. This thing, the top slides off. This piece here comes off. You take the screws off this piece right here and here, and it just pops off after you removed the ring I've got over there. So once that's removed, then you have access to this part here. This spring comes off, and then that allows you access to the boot. Hi guys, so we got these panels out here, cleaning them up. I went ahead and sanded them down. You can see that, sanded down here too. Cleaned it up real nice, otherwise it's really rusty. Uses grip 180 sandpaper. And then I had some white paint just to touch up a couple of these spots so they don't look that awful. And I know it'd be ideal to prime that probably first, but like I said, just a couple spots. Let's see how it does. It's been roughed up, and hopefully it'll adhere like we want it to. We'll see how it goes. So anyway, just kind of touching that up.